if I was a little bit taller, I wish I was a ball. Hey everybody, it is Smiley E and I'm back for another video. Today, we are doing another Fashion Nova haul. This bag's bigger, a little bit bigger than the last one. So, bear with me. Y'all see that? I can actually use my left hand now. I'm gonna still probably have to get some scissors though. Make my life a whole lot easier. Oh yeah, this is the one I had a lot of stuff. Where do we start? Okay, so I think we'll start with the leggings. This is the first one, and this right here, some little python leggings, just so you all can see them. These are a size small. I had to go and do something to my head because honestly, y'all, I am not liking my curls right now. I got my ends trimmed, but they ended up being trimmed a little bit more than what I wanted. So right now, me and my hair are kind of going through it. So I had to do something with it. So I apologize if at any point my hair is a mess in this video. I'm gonna try my best not to change this top and just change the pants. Since most of the items, actually all of the items in this particular haul are pants related. So I'm just gonna keep the same top throughout. But this right here, these are how the leggings look, the pattern of the leggings. And I just paired them with this Michael Kors bag and this bracelet that I got from Express some time ago, and with these Steve Madden heels. So this bag, which you all will see a video out there for it, but you can do it with the long strap or a short strap and just make this like little arm, short length arm bag. And so that's what I paired it with. And so this is the outfit. All right. This one has a floral pattern on it. And let's see, this might just be decoration. Yeah. So these have an elastic waist as well. All the pants thus far all have elastic waist. So this one is no different. I like things with flowers now, so this I liked. So I got two of them. I like them so much, I got two. So this is a size small. Of course, you know, as far as what to wear with it, definitely it's got a white stripe down the sides. Y'all see the white stripe? It's got the white string here, so definitely I would suggest trying white with this. If you wanted to, maybe you could do like a light pink shirt, something like that, but definitely you wouldn't want to do any patterns just because that would be very conflicting. So far, the pants would be kind of like the meat of your wardrobe or the meat of your outfit. So really the rest of it's vegetables. I decided to pair this with my gold accessories. So I got my gold earrings. Of course, Michael Kors typically does the gold accessories. Only thing about this, which I just caught by the way, is this bracelet. So this bracelet I got from Victoria's Secret years ago, and the colors match it perfectly, but it's silver. So chances are I probably would not wear these items together. I'd probably wear, if I wear this bracelet, I'd probably wear a different kind of bag. But for the purposes of pink, this is what we got right here. So, and then I've got on my white Crocodile 9 West heels, and that is it for this outfit. So. And then also, to dress this down, I could wear just like some tennis shoes. What do y'all think about these pink shoes? I don't know, how does that look? I don't know. Anyway, y'all get the idea. Y'all can dress it up with heels, or if you want to wear tennis shoes, sneakers. The little white stripe on the side kind of gives the whole, she's a runner, she's a track star. She don't run away when it gets hot. She can't take the pain, she can't get sky. Ooh, ooh. Anyway, y'all did not come here to hear me sing, but I'm just saying, like, I feel like these are more, with the white stripe on the side, it kind of adds more of a sporty look to this. And of course, the string on the front being like so out there, it's so bright and white, so it's like so obvious. So I feel like these are more of like sporty pants, leaning more on the side of like, this is sweatpants' cousin. So like, normally you might wear sweatpants, but if you want to wear a lighter looking sweatpant for the summer, I feel like this would be it. So that's all I'm saying. Anyway, moving on. We'll see you all in a couple of seconds. This is another pair of leggings, which I feel like these, if you wanted to, you could honestly kind of dress these up and or dress them down. So what I did with this is I decided to pair this with, and I'm probably breaking, I'm sorry if I'm breaking some kind of cardinal rule here, but I did decide to bring out my Gucci bucket bag to match with this. And because the G's, the logo, Gucci logo is gold, and also because the chain on it as well is gold, I figure the easiest thing for me to do with this one is to accessorize with gold. So I've got my gold earrings, and again, this is a gold bracelet that I bought some time ago from Express. And I paired it with just some black shoes. These black shoes, I actually got these from Amazon, to be honest with you, and so far in wearing them, they're really comfortable. I don't feel like they squeeze my toes like the last pair of shoes did. They're very pointy. These are a little bit more round on the toe, so they don't squeeze my feet as much. And too, the heels aren't too high, so they're like pretty comfortable overall. All right, so on to our next pair of pants. Fingers crossed. I can't cross my fingers. I can't cross them. So anyway, fingers crossed that the remaining pair of pants that we have, that they actually fit. Free wall. I'm cute. Anyway. These next three items, they're kind of like loose pants. So something that I like to wear but never actually fits. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Kind of like those loose fitting pants. Back in the day, some people might remember these pants. So there used to be gauchos, pants called gauchos, where they are loose fitting on you. They're comfortable, they're loose fitting. Most of the ones I had were like, they hit like right below the knee. They weren't long. So I got these. And I think I actually got 2 pairs of these different patterns. So this is a size small, and that is these pants. So they're loose fitting, nice and airy, and they've got an elastic waist up here at the top too. So got this, and I feel like with these, I could wear them during the summer if I wanted, with like say some little platform type of shoe, something like that. Or you can always wait and wear them in the fall, because with this color, it definitely kind of seems like more of a fall color than a summer color, but to each their own, however you want to wear it. And I just paired it with some Charles David platforms, and then with this bag here by New Women. Got the same earrings here, and then I've got my Givenchy bracelet on. It's kind of rose gold, and then I've got my Kate Spade 1 in a Million necklace with the letter E on it. So that is this right here. Or if I was a little bit taller, I wish I was a baller, I wish I was a, then I call her. But, it's a random song. But if I was a little bit taller, this could probably work. But I put on my white heels from one of the prior pants outfits I was putting together. And so I feel like these white shoes could definitely go with it. If you look at the pants, they have patterns in them. Filigree is what I would call it, but I don't think that's right. But anyway, it's in white, so I feel like you could definitely wear white heels with this, but because of how short I am, like the pants are definitely dragging the ground. It's not something that I would want to wear because I'm too short for it. So anyway, that is this outfit. So we're gonna move on. I'll be right back. So this right here is the same exact pants, same exact type of pants that we saw just a moment ago. So it's the same design. It's got that same elastic waist, and it's the same kind of setup. The only thing different about this one is the pattern. I like these, and definitely, like, I'm using pretty much the same accessories, same everything. Only thing I changed was the pants on this, honestly. Cause I kept the same bag and bracelets, everything else the same. So yeah, this is how they fit. And I guess I should have been turning around to show you all how they fit in the back. But honestly, I mean, they fit perfectly fine. The waist is a little bit different design-wise. You might see better on this one. More of a waist there as opposed to this one. It's a small hem for the waist there. So this one is meant to be loose fitting like the others. It's got the whole floral and tropical look going for it. So that's what I really liked about these, and that's why I ended up getting them. I decided, I still did the platforms here. I did change the earrings. So the earrings are ones that I got from a store called Del Sol in the Bahamas. And I actually wanted to wear these, but I can't, for whatever reason, I can't find the other earring. But they're made out of bamboo, so this is just a lighter color, and this is just the darker shade. So I feel like both of these colors are neutral, so I just decided wear the darker ones and then just show you this lighter colored earring, since for whatever reason I can't find the other. And then I paired it with my Michael Kors MK bag, just because, as you all see, it's got coral looking flowers, probably hibiscus, I'm assuming. And of course, you know, we have our PVC, our clear plastic bag that we could wear with this as well. Both bags, you know, with the coral color, and then with this one having that camel color on there. I feel like both of these are practically made as like summer bags based on the colors. So that is this one, and I think we got one more pair of pants to try. So that is this one right here. It's giving island, it's giving a vacation. And honestly, these platforms, even with the platforms, these pants are still pretty long on me. They still kind of drag on the ground. So it might need something taller. I did kind of roll them a couple times at the waist just to kind of make the pants a little bit shorter. You make it work. So you can kind of tuck at the waist if you wanted to, just to make these a little bit shorter in length if you needed that. So that's just a little trick. Just a little trick, something simple to fix it if it's too long. I know some people complain. I saw a couple reviews on some of these pants saying that they were a little long for, you know, once they tried them on. People were saying that these pants were a little bit long. So I did see those reviews. So I was a little bit hesitant and a little bit scared to order these pants. And these I actually really love. Look at that pattern. That looks so amazing on camera. That is crazy. They're fitted once it gets to a certain point. Gives you that bell bottom look, that flared look. Absolutely love, growing up, I absolutely loved the style of bell bottoms. And I know it's like ancient and not everybody loves it, but I honestly love bell bottoms. I could just never wear them. Like, if y'all remember those jeans, they were called, I can't remember if it was Paris Blues or Parisian Blues. It was something like that they were called, and I absolutely love those jeans, but I could not wear them. I would always try them on, hoping that maybe this time these pairs of jeans might fit me, and they never did. But I was absolutely in love with them. But yeah, I'm a huge fan of like bell bottoms, flare, boot cut jeans, all of those. Complete fan. But yeah, so that's why I got these. because of the bottom. Look at that. That is just amazing. So these would be like great for photos. And it's so funny because like looking at it in person, it doesn't look nearly as striking. Like it looks super striking looking at the viewfinder. Alrighty, ladies and gents. As you all see, they're definitely dragging the ground right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you all what I accessorize with, and then I'm gonna try to fix the waist if that is a thing with these. So I went ahead and I'm using the Gucci bucket bag again, and this time for the jewelry, I'm just using these earrings that I got from Paparazzi Jewelry. So now we're gonna see if anything can be done about these pants, y'all. These pants be doing the mostest, and honest, I don't think I don't think it's doable with these. I really don't. With these, not so much. These are just excruciatingly long. These kind of are what they are. So you have your option. If you are 5 foot like me, then these are definitely going to be dragging the ground. Matter of fact, you might even trip over these because they're so long. But yeah, so I mean, otherwise, like the shape of them, they're cute and all, but practical, not really. I mean, think about what's on the ground and then think about your pants dragging on the ground. I don't know, the only thing that I can suggest with these is maybe try to get a little bit larger of a heel. That is this. It's cute otherwise though. I really like this. I really like this ensemble. They're flare leg pants. I had a feeling they were gonna be a lot longer than what I wanted, but you know, if you know how to fix a hem, then you know, all power or more power to you. These are really long. That is the end of this haul. I hope that you all enjoyed it, and I hope that you all have an enjoyable summer, that any vacation trips that you all have planned, that you enjoy them and that you remain safe on them at the same time. And I will see you all for the next video.